So here's the arsenals we got.
Oh wait, you're recording?
Yeah. Okay. This is what we got going on. I don't know, we could do rock, paper, scissors for who gets first pick of what gun.
Alright, let's just go oldest to youngest.
How about we do rock, paper, scissors?
I'm like, Bryce, you like.
And then we'll do rock, paper, scissors for sidearms after.
Alright.
Alright. So who wants to go first?
Pain game.
Bruh.
I win one. So we'll all play each other and we'll see how many we win total.
Holy, look at that. Whoa.
That was like a hawk.
Yeah, wasn't I was like
Yeah.
Big hog?
really low.
Yeah. Alright, now I gotta do you. See how many wins I get. Hold on.
Oh wait, is it?
Okay, yeah.
Oh, you
sorry.
got some huge hands. What the frick?
Oh, you cheat. Yeah. Alright, so me and Bryce are both at 1 right now. Let's see what Eli gets.
Oh my gosh. What the frick?
Alright, go ahead.
Alright.
Ah!
Alright, so we all have 1, so now I gotta get. Oh, balls.
We all got each other out.
Well, you weren't supposed to do it.
Oh.
So Eli's at 1 right now.
So I won 2 and I lost 1.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. So Bryce, now you do Eli.
No, because I won 2 and you won 2.
No.
hit it?
Yeah, you stunned it, but.
Heck yeah.
Oh,
Took one bite and I choked on a biscuit.
Deadbeat. Alright. So we're all tied up.
No, I'm at 1 win.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, you're at
still
1, so you lost?
Yeah.
Is the
Alright, so
stinger
this.
still on it?
Yeah, but it's dead now.
Okay, good.
Alright, ready? This is for the who gets first pick. Only spoonful. Ow! Alright, Eli gets first pick.
First pick of the crop.
Can I test out some of these guns?
Yeah, you can. So that's reasonable.
This is not even loaded, I do not believe. Holy crap, never mind.
It's powerful. Oh yeah, one thing you should note.
Okay, we're just gonna cut this and we'll cut back to whoever has the GoPro, I guess. Loadouts, I'm running shotgun and the 9, I guess it's the Colt 191. Eli's running the MP5 and Bryce is pistol.
Bryce has just got a pistol.
He's feeling it.
I'm gonna win.
So here's the thing, who's gonna hide first? Alright, wait, hold on. So we all go off separate spots in the yard. And then you know. And then whenever we'll do a countdown. Someone, I don't know who's gonna do the countdown, but
It's gonna put it right here.
Down the wing.
alright, ready.
Oh shoot. Wait, are we gonna hide?
Yeah, just run off. We just all run off to our own separate corner of the yard.
And that's a safe zone, right?
Yeah, this is a safe zone.
Wait, hold. Let me get this.
This is ground control. Trying to keep you nice and low so that you could actually see stuff. Alright, we ready? You guys haven't even started hiding yet? Okay, well I guess I'll start the footage when we're ready. You ready? Yep. Alright, go! You can try to hit me from all the way over there. Oh, that landed right in front of me. Oh. It's in the bushes. Oh no! Oh my goodness. Yeah, he hit me in the sock. Watch you. Oh, he's reloading.
Oh shit. Oh, I think you hit me. I did?
Yeah, that one actually looked like it was him.
Yeah, you hit me right here in the back.
Bryce takes the W with the little tiny pistol.
Let's go, boy.
I barely even felt that.
Yeah, I saw it.
All right, I'll go to the court. You get that spot up there, I guess. One last game. Felt pretty good. Guy who took a tip. Guy who took a tip. Nobody has those names. Shardy Waffles. Farty Waffle. Ricky Ticky Bobby Wobbin. Got a Ricky Ticky Bobby one. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Ricky Ticky Bobby Wobbin. Smoke your wiener, Robin. All right, where's Brett at? Oh, he's up there, but Brett could be. I don't know who Eddie's got. He got the MP. I'm falling on this broom, dude. I mean, like, Ricky Ticky Bobby Wobbin, dude. Shooting at him. You just gotta give Eli some scares, you know? Oh shoot, somebody's like right in the garden. Dang. I heard somebody. You just gotta be ballsy. That shotgun's got some range. It's a situation we're in though. Shardy Waffles. Alright, Brett's down there. Hey, Eli. Ball spread out. Ooh. Dang, he's coming home. Oh no. I think so, yeah.
I heard it, but I didn't feel it.
If you didn't feel it, you didn't get hit.
I heard it right here, but yeah, that's that.
I got you.
Can you see my gun will not reload. I would have got it. Can you see where he tripped?
Uh-uh.
He tripped on like a kid and just yeah.
I like panicked because I saw your gun and then you started running. Hi, baby.
Crap, I left it. I kept shaking it and like none of the BBs are coming out of the extended. I'm like, oh my goodness. I did it.
Oh jeez.
Oh, you got me? No way.
Yes. Freaking.
This shotgun's good. Nothing bounced off the tire and hit me.
Oh jeez, I hit that. That almost hit me.
Oh shoot, what is this?
You caught in the crossfire, bro.
Holy crap. Are you going there?
Oh jeez. Did you hit me?
Yeah.
You did? Shoot. Shoot. Dude, that was a solid battle.
Yeah, that was pretty fun.
I can't believe that hit me.